What's up guys? And here we have vzp102712. This is our Vicrez Performance V420 air compressor. Now guys, this is for if you guys have any air ride suspension kits and have a faulty compressor and need to get a new one, or if you have one of ours and you're wanting to upgrade to a pro kit, you can get more air compressors to raise your height and lower it faster. And here's everything it comes with. It comes with all the valves and springs included. Also, as well as the hosing to feed to the air tank. And here's the compressor itself. Now we try to package these very well so that they don't get damaged in shipping, and that way your packages arrive safely. Now, it is a pretty small air compressor, but it does compress the air to quite a bit, and we try to keep it as small and compact as possible so that way it can fit into any circumstances that you need it to. And we also leave these rubber bushing mounts on so that whenever it installs, it compresses down and gets traction so it's not slipping, and that way it's not scratching up anything as well, and you won't hear any of that vibration whenever going over bumps or anything. Now that's pretty much it for this. If you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.